It's a very crucial day for the DMK MP Kannimudi as the CBI will be beginning its arguments opposing her bail plea in the 2G case. Poonam is reporting on the story and is joining us live. Poonam, can you tell us a little bit about the arguments that will be put forth to counter Kannimudi's counsel Ram Jethmalani's emotional appeal made yesterday?
Well, CBI counsel's bail argument will be based on the fact that one is that Kannimudi is a powerful politician and she can use her power to influence the witnesses. Second is that since she's so much influencer, she can also tamper the evidences. So these two grounds would certainly be prime. In fact, Kannimudi has been charge sheeted by the CBI on the basis of one of the witnesses whose statement was recorded in front of the magistrate and is admissible in the court. His name is Asivanatham Achari. He was a personal assistant of Raja, who in his statement has clearly stated that Kannimudi was very close to Raja, and secondly the fact that Kannimudi was the active brain behind the formation of Kaligna TV. So these 2 points which are very crucial in the entire charge sheet, and he is one of the witnesses. So certainly keeping in mind the protection of the witness, CBI will oppose the bail of Kannimudi, although Kannimudi's lawyer yesterday, Mr. Ram Jethmalani, clearly stated in the court that all the wrongdoings that happened according to the CBI charge sheet went on because of Raja and his men, and Kannimudi had no role whatsoever in the money transaction that happened for receiving the kickback for giving away 2G licenses. So today's hearing would be certainly very crucial, and it is up to the court whether they decide it today or they put it for another day.
Right, Prema is also now joining us live. Prema, clearly after initial months of very strong support by the DMK, there is a perceptible move actually by the party to distance itself from the embattled A. Raja. But it now seems like this strategy is too little too late.
Well, exactly, Harishji, this strategy seems to be too little too late. In fact, yesterday, all through the DMK chief was closely looking at the court proceedings. Even today, when the hearing will begin at around 10:30 a.m. at the CBI Special Court, the DMK chief, the DMK top party leaders, every one of them will be closely watching the court proceedings. Let's not forget the fact that yesterday, Mr. Ram Jethmalani, who is Kannimudi's lawyer, had brought out a very strong defense against the client, had played the emotional card by saying that Kannimudi was a woman MP. She was a law-abiding citizen of the country. He had pinned the blame onto A. Raja, saying that A. Raja was in fact the person who had hatched the conspiracy, and he had also said that Kannimudi did not take part in the board meetings and she was not even a board member. So very clearly, Ram Jethmalani bringing out a very strong defense for his client Kannimudi. Today it remains to be seen how the CBI is going to counter these arguments. In fact, let's not forget, in the charge sheet, the CBI has said that Kannimudi is the co-conspirator. She was a shareholder and she was also aware of all the day-to-day activities of Kaligna TV, and that she had got illegal gratification as far as her channel Kaligna TV was concerned. She had got illegal gratification from Kaligna TV. So it is to be seen today whether Kannimudi will be getting bail or whether her bail will be rejected by the court. A very important day for Kannimudi, the DMK MP, as well as the DMK party.
Right, let's listen in now to TKS Ellen Govan speaking to the media backing Kannimudi.
The feeling that Mr. Ram Jethmalani, when he was speaking, he spoke, they put the blame entirely on Mr. Raja. Has the party abandoned A. Raja?
Yeah, I'll tell you, he is an advocate. He is not a DMK party man. He is not the general secretary. He is defending Kannimudi. Raja's advocate will defend Raja. That is how court proceedings are.
Okay.
He is not a party spokesperson or somebody who is in defense of the party.
Okay.
He is an advocate of Kannimudi.
Right, let me go back again to Poonam. Poonam, tell us a little bit about what we can expect now today. How, when will the proceedings commence? When is it expected to conclude? And how are things expected to proceed after what has happened yesterday?
Well, yesterday, the entire day, the defense lawyer for Kannimudi and also Sharad Kumar, they argued in the court, apart from Asif Balwa and Rajiv Agarwal, who are also accused in this case. today we are expecting at 10 o'clock CBI counsel to start the argument in the court, and which will at least go on for 1 hour, what we are expecting from the counsel and the CBI officers that they are saying. And after that, the court will decide on the bail application. The court may decide it today itself, or the court may adjourn it to the next day, because after gathering after listening to the arguments of all the lawyers, the court will certainly take some time to come out with the judgment. So that is what we are expecting today. The court may adjourn the matter for the next day.